Hello and welcome back to my channel. So there's a new series I want to start because I've been getting some questions through a form I created just as a test, and it's going to be called Friday Questions. So what I'd like you to do is I'm going to drop the link to the form below. You can submit your questions, any question that you have about your business, about event planning, and if I can answer them, I'll do a video responding publicly so you not only have your answer, but that other viewers can benefit as well. So the first one that I'm doing on Friday Question comes to us from Kirsten. And Kirsten says, Jody, is there any marketing tips that you can share for corporate event planners? Now, Kirsten, I'm going to be honest, this is a very big question because marketing is never just one tactic. Like marketing is one looking at your business, kind of seeing what you're already doing, what's working, what's not, what's better for your area, right? So there's just so many components to that. But I'm still going to provide you a little bit of guideline that I hope can help to push you in the right direction. Okay, so when I think about it this way. For corporate event planners, marketing is a little tricky, only because it's not the same as for example, a wedding planner where your clients are brides who might just be the average person on social media browsing, right? So you can market effectively on platforms like Instagram or even YouTube. For a corporate event planner, depending on what the size of the companies you're targeting, they might be using different sources to search. So they might be on LinkedIn, maybe they're using job boards, maybe they have official website where they put out like a call or request for proposals for certain type of things. So depending on the size, that's where you want to start. Some companies are maybe probably really small and they are looking on other platforms like Facebook, right? So the first thing you want to do is start there and kind of determine the size and the best platforms that they would be on. Larger companies, they're probably going to be looking on LinkedIn and more professional type places. Other companies might be doing different routes. They might just be posting on Indeed or some other job posting platform. Right? So start there as your first option. The next thing you want to do is you want to think about where they are, what industry they're in, and try to target them in those areas. So if you're looking to target, let's say, nonprofits or other businesses, let's say they're in the sports industry, then you need to look at what are the key areas for them. What are the social places that they kind of get information or, hang out themselves? And then you want to target those places. The third step to the marketing is that you want to actually do direct outreach. I find for corporate clients, because you know who they are, for your corporate clients, okay, I want to target real estate agents and I know that these real estate agencies are in these locations. You can reach out. It's not like a bride. You don't know out of every single house in a neighborhood, how many people are in there are engaged or getting, about to get married. You don't know that unless they've disclosed it in some other way, right? So you can do outreach. Look for companies need help, reach out to them, put your pitch in and see what happens. Reach out and see where they might need help or have gaps. Put your pitch in and let it go, right? So look for that. I know personally, when I used to do corporate events, one site that I used to use a lot here in Toronto, we have an official site where you can see requests for proposals from different companies, and they would put out requests saying, I'm holding a conference for 2,000 people. We're looking for an event planner. We're looking for a publicity person, all of this. Please send us your proposals. And I used to apply through that route. So looking for your area and look to see if there's something similar. And I always have to say this one, tap into your networks. You have a ton of friends, family members who might be connected to people in different companies who already have the in, right? So you don't seem like a stranger coming in. Reach out to them and see what you can get done. Ask them for those referrals and work at it. Now, I hope that answers your question, Kirsten, or at least provide you with a little bit of direction and some ideas to get you started. Thanks so much for submitting your question. And guys, if you have more questions like this one, I'm going to drop the link below to the form where you can just send your question in, and I will pick one question each week and answer it in video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.